Morning, gamers! Hello, hello! What's up, everybody? Today we're doing a very special Gunpla build. I have spoke about this briefly. What we have here is something very, very special. This was a kit that came with a Gundam bath bomb that I got a while back that I had from that I got from Side 7 Exports. And inside this bag is an entry grade Strike Gundam Grand Slam equipment. And we're going to build the entire thing while it's in the bag, which is going to be really, really cool. So, as you can see, the instructions are kind of stuck in there. So what I have pulled up on one of my monitors is the instructions for the entry grade Strike Gundam. However, that's for the regular Strike and not the Grand Slam equipment, but I'm hoping that 95% of this will be the same. So that's the hope, at least. And we're gonna build this in the bag. I've never done it before, but people said it was possible, so that's what we're gonna try to do. Nothing special about it. We're just gonna start. So first things we need are part A2 and part A217 and B211. A2 is this. A217 is 15, 16. So 17 is directly underneath. Okay, so it should be that piece there. Yeah, I see it. It's right in the middle. This is like the worst possible first piece we could have gotten. Oh my gosh. This is hard. This is really hard. I've bitten off more than I can chew here, chat room, I'll be honest. We have our first connection. Let's go, we're gaming. No! Oh god, this is by far gonna be the most difficult piece. I can feel it. It just bounces around. Oh! We did it! Head complete! This is by far gonna be the hardest part of the build. I can feel it in my heart. Do y'all see that? No! We have a breach in the bag. I repeat, we have a breach in the bag. All right, I've taped the bag. The bag breach has been fixed at the cost of some of the bag's maneuverability. All right, there we go. Head and body built in the bag. Oh, arms on there. Now we just need the shoulders and the head's done. Or the upper body's done. Oh my God, we're actually kind of hauling ass. Holy. All right, legs are done. We just need feet and connections to the waist. Oh, we're actually like really close to getting this fuck-ass challenge done. There he is, chat room. He's chilling in the bag. Should we try to give him his weapon too? All right, now we have finally finished our build in a bag. We've got, he's unposable as far as I'm concerned, but he's got his big sword, as you can see. And we have our Strike Gundam Grand Slam Equipment Edition. It took 2 hours. Stream counter's looking at just 2 hours. This was frustrating as fuck. Only vaguely recommends. But now I have done a challenge with Gunpla that's kind of cool.